Hello everyone and welcome to new video from Zeytoon Tuts Plus channel. In this tutorial, in this video, I want to talk about Google AdSense, how to get approved in Google AdSense, and how you can monetize your YouTube channel or your blog in Google AdSense. Let's start. First, we go to our browser. Now we search Google AdSense requirements for blogs. In here, it's a post from Google support. In here, it says that do you have or own unique and interesting content? It means when you make a blog, your post should be interesting. When someone Google it, it should be a keyword that be more in search engine, people more search for it. Then your videos, your contents should not be illegal. There are some policies that Google AdSense has. You can go to support.google.com AdSense. In here you can see this. And I will add this link in the description too. Now let's go for how to use Google AdSense on your website. google.com/AdSense. When we go here, we switch our account to the one which accepted or which approved by Google AdSense. Now in here, your profile is complete. Now I want to start my blog, or I want to add my website. To add my website, I want to add my own website. It's not for making taking approved for Google AdSense. It's all about how to use Google AdSense. This is my website, zeytoonict.com. I want to add this, and I will remove it. So I will remove it suddenly because I don't want to add this. I made this for tutorial. Now we go to home. Now in here we add our site. When we add our site, now we connect our site with Google AdSense. In here, because we use WordPress, we don't need to copy this code. Now we go to our dashboard. Now we go to plugins, add new. We search for Google Sidekick. Sidekick by Google. We install this, then we activate it. Now we go to Google Sidekick. And here it's checking eligibility. Now we sign in with Google. This account is verified by Google AdSense. We add this. connected with Google AdSense. This was how you can connect your website with Google AdSense. For approving your blog or your website, you need to work on it at least 6 months or 5 months. Then you can get approved. But if you have a monetized YouTube channel, then you get you have Google AdSense verified. You don't need to complete the blog requirements. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, like the video. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Bye.